Hi, I'm Mark Anthony, and in this video, I'm going to give you some downloads in relation to my last video, which was about 5 signs to recognize that your manifestation is here or coming. So the first one was about noticing more of your desires, so you'll be able to see them around you. So what I want to do is teach you what it feels like to know that you can see your desires, that you allow yourself to recognize your desires, and that you allow yourself to know by seeing them that your desires are coming, and that you allow yourself to raise your faith and your belief that your manifestations are yours when you see them around you. And then the second one was, sometimes it gets worse before it gets better. So what I want to do is teach you how to allow yourself to recognize an obstacle and allow yourself to see the opportunity behind that obstacle, knowing that it's safe for you to go through a negative experience, but still hold your vision, to hold your faith and have certainty in what it is that you desire. Knowing that you can allow yourself to have that faith and knowing that it's yours, regardless of what you're experiencing. That you know how to hold your vision high and that you allow yourself to keep your faith high, that your manifestations are yours. And that you allow, and the third one was synchronicities, that you allow yourself to recognize synchronicities, that you allow yourself to see them, that you're able to recognize synchronicities, and that you allow synchronicities into your life, that you allow opportunities to come to you, that you allow good people to come into your life. And then the fourth one was people that don't resonate at that level will drop out of your life. So what I want to do is teach you how to allow yourself to move on from people, that you allow yourself to raise your vibration in a loving and easy way, and that you allow yourself to attract people that resonate at that higher vibration, and that you're comfortable being at that higher vibration, and that you know how to allow yourself to bring in people that are going to be like-minded, to attract people to you that are going to have a higher way of thinking, that are going to allow you to have positive change in your life, and that you will allow yourself to have positive changes in your life by associating with people of a higher vibration, and that you're comfortable associating with people of a higher vibration. And then the most important one was being calm and relaxed about your manifestation. So knowing how to trust that your manifestation is yours, knowing how to have faith that your manifestation is yours, and that you're worthy and deserving of your manifestation, and that you know how to be calm and relaxed about your manifestation, that you know how to just feel a sense of excitement and knowing that it's already yours, that you know that it is already yours, and that you allow yourself to have absolute faith that your manifestation is already yours, and that you're worthy and deserving of having your manifestations right now, and that you allow yourself to receive your manifestations in the physical right now, and that you're comfortable being the person with a higher vibration that will allow those manifestations into your life. So if you're happy to receive those downloads, then just say yes and you'll receive them. Okay, cool. So if you like this video, like it, share it with people that you care about, share it with friends, family. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, because that will give you updates as to when our next videos are coming out. And most importantly, take care of yourself and make sure that you allow yourself to know that your manifestations are yours. Allow yourself to have that faith. And I look forward to catching up with you all very soon. I really appreciate your time in watching this video. So thank you.